Regarding the survival of the Note 21, Samsung has officially spoken on the Note series, and there's good news and bad news. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more tech videos. So I previously put out a video saying the Note 21 was dead, and surprisingly I got a lot of hate for that video. Someone called me a Note hater. Meanwhile, the Note series is my favorite lineup of smartphones. Some said I was spreading wrong information, and the Note 21 was officially confirmed by Samsung. Meanwhile, Samsung hadn't officially said anything about the Note 21, and some people were questioning my source. Tron and Mori were my sources, and while every other leaker said there wasn't going to be a Note 21, Tron and Mori were the only ones who said their sources told them there was going to be a Note 21. And they later came out to say the Note 21 was confirmed 100% to be dead. And it turns out they were right. There isn't going to be a Note 21. But the Note series isn't dead, and Samsung has no plans of killing the Note anytime soon. During its 52nd annual shareholders meeting, Samsung Electronics CEO DJ Ko said it'll be difficult to launch the Note 21 series this year, and that's because of severe shortage in semiconductor chips and the clash with the Galaxy S21 Ultra, which already has an S Pen. That's the bad news. The good news is there's gonna be a Note 22 next year. In the meeting, DJ Ko also said the Galaxy Note series is an important product category that has been loved by consumers over the past 10 years, and the S Pen user experience is an area that Samsung's mobile division has worked harder on than anybody else. He also said the launch timing may be different, but they'll be sure not to let their Galaxy Note consumers down. We're used to having the launch of the Galaxy Note in August, but it seems Samsung wants to use that launch timeline for its foldables. So Samsung might have a third flagship unpacked event next year to accommodate the S series, its foldables, and the Note series. Or they could just launch it alongside the S series and leave the second half of the year for the foldables. But they wouldn't want the S and Note series to cannibalize each other. Anyway, let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. That's all for me in this video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.